You thought GPT-4.5 was OpenAI's biggest leap forward? Think again. GPT-4.1 just dropped, and it's not here to show off with fancy emotional nuance or bloated price tags. It's here to get things done. Faster, leaner, and laser-focused on what enterprises actually need. And if you think mini means weak, you'll want to watch this all the way through. GPT 4.1 isn't just another update. It's OpenAI's sharpest move toward practical, scalable AI for teams building in the real world. After feedback poured in, OpenAI brought GPT 4.1, originally meant just for API developers, into ChatGPT itself. Now it's available to Plus, Pro, and Team users, with enterprise and education support on the way. And that's not all. Free users also get a taste with GPT 4.1 Mini, replacing GPT-4o Mini as the new default. It's smaller in scale but still meets the same safety standards, making powerful AI more accessible than ever. Before we dive deeper, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What model are you using right now? Let's hear it. GPT 4.1 is a different beast. It outperforms GPT-4o by over 21 points in software engineering benchmarks and beats it by 10.5 points in instruction-following tasks. It's less verbose by 50%, which is something enterprise users specifically asked for. The model supports the usual context windows: 8,000 tokens for free users, 32,000 for Plus, and 128,000 for Pro. While API users can handle up to 1 million tokens, imagine feeding an entire codebase or a massive contract. This full capability hasn't reached ChatGPT yet, but it's coming. And here's a bold stat. GPT 4.1 scored a whopping 0.99 on OpenAI's not unsafe safety test and 0.96 on real-world jailbreak attempts. For enterprises building secure internal tools, that's a huge win. It didn't top academic jailbreak tests, scoring just 0.23, but in real-world use, it's holding strong. In terms of output quality, GPT 4.1 scored 0.40 on simple QA factual tests and 0.63 on person QA, both improvements over previous models. That makes it more reliable for data teams and far less prone to hallucinating its way into trouble. Now let's talk price. GPT 4.1 on API is $2 per million input tokens and $8 for output. For something leaner, GPT 4.1 Mini costs just $40 per million input tokens and $1.60 for output. Compared to Google's Flash models at $0.075, $1.40 per million tokens, OpenAI is clearly aiming for performance, not budget tiers. But that performance gap, it's very real. This isn't just about speed or price, it's about trust. GPT 4.1's improved instruction following, lower hallucination rate, and consistent hierarchy behavior make it easier to deploy, even for leaner teams under pressure. Whether you're fine-tuning models, managing data quality, or securing DevOps pipelines, GPT 4.1 is built to scale without breaking things. It's not the flashiest model OpenAI has released, but it's one of the most useful. GPT 4.5 might have better general knowledge and emotional intelligence, but GPT 4.1 delivers where it counts: on code, on clarity, on compliance. And for the folks who need to ship now, it might just be the smarter choice. Watch the video in the corner to dive deeper into how GPT 4.5 compares side by side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your take. If you're building with AI and want practical, honest insights, not hype, this is the channel for you.